Since the demonetization drive kicked off, here's one certainty. Gold and real estate are two sectors that have been hit the hardest by the cash crunch. However, CNBC TV18 Jude Sanad reports that in Chennai's real estate market, it's not the primary real estate market, but the resale market that has actually taken a bigger hit. Take a look.
With over 43,000 new, available and unsold homes up for grabs, Chennai's real estate market is still struggling to get out of the slump. Now, one would assume that the government's demonetization drive would make this struggle tougher, but that's not the case. Experts say that because discount-driven sales are a key feature of this market, and since 95% of buyers choose home loans to finance their purchases, it's not really a hotbed of black money transactions.
When they want to go for housing loans and they want to get 80% of the properties, total quantum being funded by housing loans, they have to keep it absolutely, clean and on the books.
But that's not the only reason the demonetization drive has not had an impact on primary residential sales. Large availability of residential tracts in emerging realty corridors has meant that acquisitions here are a good 14 to 19% lower than present-day guideline values. Simply put, no big-ticket acquisitions, no chances of black money. When it comes to Chennai's resale market, though, things get a tad interesting. With the market value of most transactions far exceeding guideline values in some of the city's prime locations, a significant percentage of these resale transactions is generally paid in cash. Take, for instance, Chennai's Mount Road. Current guideline values in this area stand at 12,500 rupees per square foot, but current market rates range from 19,000 to 20,000 rupees per square foot. On Kothari Road, guideline values stand at 14,000 rupees per square foot against a going rate of 26,000 rupees per square foot. Realtors say it's these transactions that account for a large cash component, especially when sale values cross 1.5 crore rupees.
The percentage is varying between about 25 to 40% in the secondary sales, and the ticket size would be in the range of about 1.5 to 2 CR. Area like Anna Nagar, where the maximum guideline value is about 13,000 rupees. But you tell me, where do you get land in Anna Nagar for 13,000? So the point is that it is not rationalized.
So this is where the government's demonetization drive is expected to hurt the most. With the cash component in such transactions being forced lower due to the physical shortage of currency notes, realtors believe Chennai's resale market is headed for quite a sharp price correction, and that some hope could result in a spike in the number of such transactions in the long run. In Chennai, Jude Sanad.